So E.B. Tyler is the founder of cultural anthropology. So concept as a culture, तो किस तरीके से आंसर लिखेंगे, 20 मार्क्स का अगर आता है पहले कल्चर की डेफिनेशन दैट इट हैज़ बीन डिफाइंड एज अ सेंट्रल थीम ऑफ एंथ्रोपोलॉजी. सो इट बीइंग द कल्चरल थीम इट वाज डिफाइंड डिफरेंटली बाय डिफरेंट पीपल. इट बीइंग द कल्चरल थीम डिफरेंटली बाय डिफरेंट पीपल ने इसे डिफरेंटली डिफाइन किया है, एग्जामिन डिफरेंटली ड्यू टू विच differential theoretical approaches emerged. Nevertheless, culture as an area of the study, which early as a separate discipline, can be linked to the E.B. Tyler. So culture as an area study as a separate discipline. Separate discipline culture को अगर देखा जाए तो किसने देखा था सबसे पहले? It is linked to the E.B. Tyler. So क्या definition दी थी टाइलर ने, सब पहले बतानी है. So he is the founder of cultural anthropology, E.B. Tyler. So how this definition different from other thinkers? For example, Malinowski, idea of R.C. Brown, critical using of the word culture. R.C. Brown emphasized on the study of the society rather than culture. So R.C. Brown he emphasized on the study of the society rather than culture. तो R.C. Brown कल्चर को यूज़ नहीं करता था, वो सोसाइटी का वर्ड यूज़ करता था rather than culture. तो इसे एल्फ्रेड रेडक्लिफ ब्राउन. He developed the theory of structural functionalism and co-adaptation. He developed the theory of cultural structural functionalism and co-adaptation. He first from Birmingham, UK, 1881 to 1955. So he didn't use the word culture. He preferred using the word society. So R.C. Brown was critical of using word culture, emphasized on the study of the society rather than culture. He was a critic of Brown. And later thinkers who supported uses of concept of culture. There was a critics of Brown who supported the use of the concept culture instead of society. For the culture, the complex whole which includes knowledge of belief, arts, moral, law, custom and any other capabilities and habits acquired by the men and women as a member of the society. So the definition of the culture by Tyler. So complex whole में cultural traits आ जाते हैं. They are arranged in a way that they influence one another. They are arranged in a way that they influence one another. Cultural trait, one cultural trait influence other cultural trait. This phenomenon is called So it is known as integrationism. So change in one culture trait automatically reflects in the change of in rest of them. अगर एक culture trait को change करते हो तो it reflects in the change in rest of them. When Tyler says culture is required, he is actually saying that culture has to be learned from the other member of the society. That culture is acquired, that means it has to be learned from the other member of the society. तो society में group of the people, territory, geographical होगा and same commonality and owners. So what these people commonly might be having a culture. So group of the people, एक टेरिटरी एक जोग्राफिकल एरिया है और सेम कुछ कॉमनलिटी है. तो क्या कॉमनलिटी है? कॉमन क्या होगा? कल्चर. फ्रॉम दिस इट इज़ कंक्लूड द सोसाइटी समथिंग विच इज़ ऑब्जर्वेबल टेंजिबल. सोसाइटी क्या है? ऑब्जर्वेबल है, टेंजिबल है. ऑन द अदर हैंड कल्चर में कंसिस्ट ऑफ सेवरल थिंग्स दैट आर अनसीन्स, दे कांट बी टच्ड. So as a member of the society signifies that one is not one with the culture, then one has to learn it. It indicates that only member of the society can have similar cultures. He also signifies the unilinear evolution. So what is the concept of the culture? Culture is learned. Culture is based on symbols. It is indicative of something. It has meaning. Concept is based on symbol. Symbol is indicative of something. Symbol का कुछ meaning होता है. Culture is shared among the members of society. Culture is patterned and integrated. One culture trait influence the other culture trait. Means integrated. एक culture trait दूसरे को influence करता है. Culture is usually adaptive. Symbolism in तो यहाँ पे क्या है? Culture is based on symbol. तो symbolism is that school in anthropology which picks up one or two symbol as they are more than sufficient to understand the entire culture. Symbolism क्या बोलता है कि cultures देख लिए. Suppose हिंदुज़म में ये आपने symbol देख लिया तो इसी से समझने की कोशिश करोगे हिंदुज़म को, ठीक है. So ये बोलता है that there are the one or more two symbols they are sufficient to understand the entire culture, thus extrapolate it to the other culture system. वो extrapolate कर देते हैं to the other cultural system. For example, in Christianity, putting stars in December to signify the Christmas. Star को बोले Christmas. But to star is a material symbol has philosophical link, that is birth of Christ. Ritual is also a symbol. Culture is usually adaptive. By the time we came into neo-evolutionism, we understand culture is also influenced by environment. For example, political, economic, family and religious influencing the ecosystem of the culture. Adapt is a mechanism of having survival. Adapt कर जाता है किसी environment को survival के लिए. In cultural history by E.B. Tyler, stage of evolution, technology, religion and marriage.